Running directly. Open now. Home, profile, education, experience, project, and skills. So in a skill file, we have added something. Now we need to come to the which file? Project file. So this file is exist with everyone. This file you have no project.html. Last class file. Open the project.html file. Open the project.html file. In project.html file, we have written call my project. That is okay. After this, we will use the a table. Is a profile page. Project page. And the table tag, like it's not enabled for me. I will go to the settings, preferences. Auto completion. Okay. Now if I open the table tag, closing should happen. Inside this table tag, you will write here. Again, align should be centered. Should be centered. Cell padding should be 15px. Then use a tr tag. Inside that tr, write bg color, gray color. Bg color is a gray color. Next, we'll write the tr. 8 minute. One call is coming. Just it for price. Hello. Hello. Yes. Yes, madam. 11:30 for which class? JavaScript. From Wednesday, madam. It's starting from Wednesday. Wednesday, 11 o'clock. Confirm only. What's your name? Okay. You will getting a call today. It says from Wednesday 11 o'clock, 11 to 12:45. Yeah, day after. Okay, so THP wrote, it's right here. Project ID. Next project. Project title. Not title, project name, right? Project title was in college. But in industry, you will not have project title, it will have a project name. Okay, duration. Client. Team size. For this table you can write width 70%. You take the 70% of your screen in the term of width. Let's check now how that look. Project page, something like this. We will add below some more TR. We can add below some more TR to understand how we can add the multiple number of write next TR. TD project 1, next TD, management, next TD, 2 years, next TD, global, next TD, team size 5 members. Okay, hope ready. Check now. Page look like this. You can add some more columns, some more rows. 1 TR is added. Let's add one more TR. Go to next TD, medical planet, next TD, 1 year, next TD, client name, next TD, 4 members. right? That look like this. Two project is added. Let it this page. So next, which is the page? Next page is this one. College experience. Go to the experience page now. That is called exp.html. So project page is written or going on. Hope everyone has completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, come then. EXP page. Create a table here. Under the EXP page, we can create a table again. Align center and some cell padding. 10, 12. TR. BG color. Orange color. TR BG color. Orange color. Now the table width again you can give 70%. PH we can follow here. Serial number. Next TH. Project name. Next TH. Company name. Duration. Duration. Designation. Status. Serial number, project name, company name, duration, designation, and then status. Come down, write the next TR. TD 01, project name, previous page we have written leads, what we have written, name was for leads management, leads MENT, leads management. Company name, global leads, duration 2 years, designation full stack developer, status finished, and left to right. Duration is missing. Years, okay, 2 years. Okay, hope I did. Let's come now. Add one more TR that was in the previous page. My experience look like this somewhere. Add one more TR. Today 3 plus 4 7 4 5 are missing today. Join it up. Names are in the list. Three out of 23. Okay, one girl, father is expired, so 22. 22 people in that 22. 4 are here. The remaining should be how many? 18. That 18 now. 14 are online. 14 are missing completely. Where are these 14 people? So, please attend regular class. Okay, so next TD, we can write here again. TD number 2, TD number 102, medical. Next TD 1 year. Next TD UI developer. Next TD, okay, client name was Cybertrix. One, two, three, four, five, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last one is so solid 2 rows will come with all the details. Now in the bottom we need to display total how many years of experience. So add one more TR. TD call span equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Call span equal to 4 and align equal to right. Align equal to right. Call span 4 align equal to right. In that we'll write 3 years. Total years experience. This total this many years experience. Okay, it should be call span 5. Let me try with the 5 what is happening. So call span 5 I give, then it should come. Oh, it went right hand side. 4 is okay. You can change the BG color. BG color pink. BG color is pink. it's coloring till here only. It's not coloring entire because we have given college span total 3. Let's add 2 more TD, empty TD. Add 2 more empty TD with no data. Then see it's covering the entire width or not. Add 2 more empty TD. Then let us check it's covering full width. It's covering full width now. But those two look like okay, no problem. We can do like this. Call span 2, call span 2, and we can write in web technology. Web technologies. Okay, call span 2. So total 3 years experience in web technologies. But again, it's become as a double column. Let me see how that look. Looking better than okay. It's become some different line. But anyhow, it's okay till here. You can add it. It's fine. Okay, and for TR BG color is a pink. TD call span 4 align right. Total 0.3 years experience in web technologies. Okay, so hope everyone done EXP file.
Mani video ni game. Akwai off ni yake.
Web pages look like this. Experience word, if you remove, then it will fit properly.
True.
So if I remove experience word, then it will fit properly. Something like this. You can say it's coming properly. Then we can change the sentence. 3 years total. 3 years total. Or this is also okay. Let it be.
Try to do it.
Right, once you complete the page, EXP file, let me know in the chat. We can go for next file.
Lonzella mo. Ado thiet pa ni. Ado thiet pa ni.
TP, what is that here? Who is that? Rohit. You are doing some code word message. TP, zip, ABCD, XYZ, write anything. Write a meaningful line, no? You send typing error, okay? Okay, next file. Which next file to be? Next file should be called experience. We made something, okay? Education. You have made education file that I have asked to do, plus which one? Profile page. Then I will come to the home file and I will guide you in the home file what to do. A skill project experience was done by me. Experience education was not. Education and profile was your task to display about yourself only, how you want to display. Next I will come to the home file to work on home file. Okay, we'll come to the home file, home.html file. In home.html file, let's write here. You are following the folder name is example1, right? In example1, first you copy and paste one photo. In computer there will be many photos. Photo you have no picture. Go and find any photo and keep in which folder? Example1 folder, yes. Copy a photo and paste in example1 folder. Okay, for example, in my system photo is there or not? Let me check on picture, sample picture, no picture. Okay, I have to take from internet even. Hold on, let me take from internet. Some photo. You can also search from internet, download some photo and keep in your system. Download some 4-5 photos and keep there. Okay, Apple photo why I am searching. I have many photos in my system. If I go to the data drive, I can go to the any project folders. Then I am back to should be huge photos. Right, so this way you can copy the photo from internet and paste in your example1 folder. Rename 1 2 3 4 5 6 your wish. I will share in the chat also. Any photo you download from internet, put in example1 folder, rename 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that. So this photos, even I share in your chat also. Photo will come in chat. If required, you can download it. Or if you have a photo, copy the photo and place in current folder. Which folder? Example 1 folder. After putting the photo, let me know. From there we can start. For internet, in that computer, go to the my computer. Left side there is a called sample picture. Photo will be there in the sample picture. You can take from there. It's there. Rename 1, 2, 3, 4. Rename photo 1, 2, 3, 4. Photo you can rename. See how I have renamed 1, 2, 3, 4, right? That way you can rename it. It will be easy to call. You will not have to write Ganesh.jpg master. Right click on photo. Leave the photo to the right click there. And then any photo you keep there and rename 1, 2, 3, 4 and make sure. You can see in my system it's showing as a JPG, which is your extension, you can check it. Photo extension. Right, everyone kept the photo. Done then. Let's move ahead. Come to your home file. In home file, open a table. Before table, in a paragraph, right here, or instead of paragraph, you can write other tag is also fine. MARQUE, marquee tag. Under this marquee tag, under the marquee tag, we can add. Under the marquee tag, we can add my profile summary is here. My profile summary is here. Okay, hope ready. Check now. In home file, any kind of scrolling photo is coming, scrolling text. Text is scrolling from the right to left automatically. Text is scrolling from right to left. That is called marquee tag. You can add some more text. It will feel like it's going and coming continuous. Once it will end, from right side it will start. Okay, then come to the table. Keep a line as a center, and then cell padding as a 10. Cell padding as a 10. Write a TR, follow a TD. Under the TD, you will write one image tag. IMG is the tag name, SRC is the property name. IMG is the tag name, SRC is the property name. IMG SRC. IMG SRC. IMG SRC equal to 1.jpg. My file name is the photo I have used there. My photo name is 1.jpg. 1 and the extension is jpg. So what is your photo name? Anything, whichever you have, you need to call here. Photo name. Image 1.jpg you have, or png. What is the extension? Try jpg. Image 1. Check the file name .jpg. Jpg, png, it will come. Not png, jpg and jpeg. JPEG and JPG, both you can call using this extension. Which extension? JPG. No, extension will be there, no? JPEG, JPG, correct? So JPG and JPEG, both is able to call by this extension. Call as a JPG. Photo name .jpg you write, see what is happening. Then set the height for the photo. Height equal to 150. 150 is become bigger, 100, and width also keep as 100. Okay, then you will keep here ALT for alternate. In case if your photo is not there, what it will display? Sorry, no photo. ALT, call it alternate. In case 1.jpg is not exist in current folder, what it will display? It will display, sorry, no photo. Check now. Check your photo is coming. Write it slowly. Photo is coming. Okay. So for everyone, photo appear or not? It should look like this. It should look like this. Okay, photo will appear. Now after that, write one more TD. Write one more TD. In that, you write call H2, H3, anything about my profile. About my profile. Now come down. Follow the H3. If photo is not coming, nothing to be more tension. Automatically in few classes you will come to know what is the problem. Huh? Because photo is not in current folder. If photo will not be in current folder, then icon will come. You have to keep the photo there and rename as a one. Extension should be JPG. My profile, about my profile below in a paragraph, add some lines. Now the paragraph appear but become such a big size. Become such a big size. You have to write the width per table. Write width per table width equal to maybe 500. So within the 500 area, this text and photo will organize. Within 500 area, this text and photo will get organized. Okay, how much width? 500. Now it will get compressed properly. Is coming. Look like this. Let's come down below. If one TR is working, add one more TR. Keep there a TH and write there mobile number. Add a TD. Next TD. Email. Next email. Next TR. PH. Education. TD. MCA. Next TR. TH. Experience. Next TD. Yes. Check now how that look. Something like this. Looking similar. Try this. Let me know after that. We will go for next example. This example one folder is ready. We can leave it now. Complete home file. Then go for next page. Okay, completed. Then we'll work for the next folder. Come next and create the next folder. Create the next folder here out of the example one, not inside the example one, out of the example one. Next folder, example 2. Example 2 hyphen frame set. Example 2 for what? Frame set. Example hyphen 2, example 2 hyphen frame set. In this folder, example 2 folder, we are going to learn about the frame set, how to divide the page into multiple blocks. Okay, hope example 2 folder is ready. Go inside and create a file. In example 2 folder, create a file. frame act frame set 1.html. Frame set 1.html. What is the file name? File name is frame set 1.html. Frame set 1.html. Now under frame set 1, what we are going to study? We are going to study about this. we are going to study about a very good concept that is going to help you further as well. That concept is this one. Now suppose if I come to the pen and design a layout. Suppose you see on internet this way, page structure. Page structure. Right. This is one design. Layout number one. This is another layout. Navigation on the top. Navigation on the top. After that, next block like this. Next tag like this. Next tag like this. Both the designs are same or different? Different now. Both the designs become a different design. This become layout number 2. Now suppose if I take one more design, navigation on the top, after that one banner, next after the banner, one section in the left side, another section in the right hand side, and one section in the bottom side. So this is also different design. So how many type of design we got? 3 type of design we got. If anyone asks how to design a different layout, right? How can you design a different layout using the tag called HTML? Okay, how to design a tag, how to design a different layout using which one? Using the HTML. So we have lot of tags exist in HTML, whereas okay, ready? So how many design we got? 3 designs. So till now, whichever the website you have seen on internet, all the website look different design, right? So we have a tag in HTML. That tag is going to help us to design a different type of layout. Okay. That tag is going to help us to design a different type of layout. This one I will save under the folder called frameset folder. LAYOUT layout. Okay, so what are the tags we have for this? We have a tag called frameset. FRAMEACT, frameset. Using frameset tag, Using frame set tag, you will divide the page into multiple blocks. You can see here how many blocks? Total 4 blocks. Here total 4 blocks. Here 2, 4, 5 blocks. So using frame set tag, we can divide the page into multiple blocks. Now under each block, what you want to do? We have to display something, correct? So for that, we can write here one line. It divide the page into multiple blocks. Which one? Frame set tag will help you to divide the page into multiple blocks. Another tag is called, another tag we have called frame. Frame, F-R-A-M-E, F-R-A, frame. It used to call other file, it used to call other file inside a block. Inside a block. If you read this line properly, you will come to know using the frame set, you are creating the blocks. Using frame set, you are going to create the multiple blocks. And under each block, you have to display something. Now under each block, you are not going to write directly something. You have to call a different page. So to call the different page inside a block, we use this tag. Tag name is called frame tag. So frame tag used to call other file inside a block, whereas frame set used to create the block. Block will get created by the frame set, but inside the frame set, inside the particular block, the content has to appear. Content will come from other file. That file will be called by the tag called frame. Frame set will divide into multiple blocks, and frame will call a file into the particular block. Through example, we will clear it. Let's go ahead. Hope ready? And Now come to the page. So what we did, we said, okay, we will be dividing the page into multiple blocks using which tag? Frame set tags. Create a new file. File we have created frame set 1. In frame set 1, start from HTML, but don't close. Okay. Now inside the HTML, open the frame set tag and close the frame set tag, not the body tag. Frame set tag open and frame set tag close. That should not be which tag? Body tag. And in first photo, you can see total 4 rows are there. Total number of rows are how many? 4. First, second, third, fourth. So we will divide this frame set row wise. First photo, if you see here, how many blocks? 1, 2, 3, 4. So row wise. Total 4 rows are there. But here row column both are here. Here also row and column both are here. So in first design, you will follow call design only row wise. Multiple blocks as a row wise. You will write here rows equal to frame set rows equal to first row 10% of the total height, comma, first row 10% of the total height, second row 50% of the total height. Okay, so 60% got occupied. Next row 30% of the total height. 50, 30, 80 plus 10, 90. Now last 10%, we have utilized only 100%. Why? Because total height of the screen is 100% and total width of the screen is 100%. If you consider in percentage, if you calculate it percentage, now come under the first 10%. See, double quote open one time, double quote close only one time. It's not multiple time open and close. Double quote should not open the many times, only one time open and close in the last, in between separated by comma, right? Go inside, right here call frame. So using frame set, what will happen is block will be ready now. So total 4 rows is ready. Now in each row we have to feed the data. So for that we will call a frame tag, and under the frame we will write src. Src what is called a source. So under this frame, source will be a other file header.html. We have to create a separate file and call here header.html. So add one. So this header.html will go to the first 10%. Total height is divided into 4 rows. In the first row, what will come? I'll call header. Okay, same way, write the next line. Something, something, something. Okay. Second line you will write call welcome.html. Third you will write call info.html. Last you will write call footer.html. So total 4 rows is filled with some different type of pages. Next your double quote open, double quote close. In between you have given only save now, run the page. You will find 4 block will come, page not found will say everywhere. 4 block will get created, everywhere it will say page not found. Hope I read. Let's check now. It is going to come like this. When I run my file, please run your file as well. You will find 4 times it should say page not found. Can you see? 4 blocks are coming with page not found, because the pages you are calling header, welcome, info, footer, those pages still we have not created. We just call the frame set and we given the instruction, yes, total height divide into 4 rows, where each row will have this much of height, example 10, 50, 30, 10, right? Based on that, height will get divided, and each height, each area will be occupied by each frame. First we'll go to, it will come in the sequence, frames what you have written, it will come in sequence. A header will go to the 10%, welcome will go to the 50%, info will go to the 30%, and footer will go to the last 10%. If the pages will exist, then it will display. Now your task will be there. You have to create 4 pages. What are? Header, welcome, info, and footer. Okay, in each file you will write HTML open close, body open close, H1, hi header, hi welcome, hi info, hi footer. Then if we run this file, which file? Frame file. We are going to work on this yesterday, but for testing purpose, if you want to do, you can create 4 files and then you can write something hi everywhere and see how it's looking. Else you can leave this example and you can, I will give you some other, you can say homework, you can work on that. Okay, ready? Okay, then see you again tomorrow. Set 1, set 2 you have completed or still pending. Whoever has not completed, finish that. Okay. Whoever has not completed, they should do that. Then see you tomorrow again, 9:30 nearly. In YouTube, all videos are there. How many? 6 videos are there. The URL I have shared in the chat, you can follow that. 6 videos will be there.